Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add effects on your video on TikTok. So subscribe if you didn't, and let's get started. First, you're gonna start by opening up your TikTok app. Then you're gonna click the plus button at the bottom. Then you're gonna start record a video. Then you're gonna click the bottom on your right, the tick button on your right. Then on your right, you're gonna click on effects. So if you want to add the visual effects, there's a lot of visual effects, leak, zoom, gold power, like there's a lot. You're gonna scroll right to see more. So search for the effects you want to add and hold on to it. Like this one and this one, you're gonna hold down to apply the effect. And if you want to add motions, you're gonna slide your left, and there's a lot of things, movement is suggested. So you're gonna hold down to add the movement that you choose. Maybe this one, this one, this one. You know, also to add stickers, I'm gonna click on stickers, then hold down to whatever sticker you want to apply. Maybe this, this, and this. You know, there's a lot of stickers, so you're gonna choose any that you want. Transition, you're gonna maybe choose zoom in or start countdown or switch on. You know, you're gonna choose any transition that you want. Then spread, also you're gonna hold down to any that you want. Maybe 6, 3, 2. Also time, maybe reverse or slow motion or repeat. You're gonna add any that you want, and this is how the video turned out. So if you want to save it, and this is how the video look like now. So this is how to add effects on your video using TikTok app. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you are new, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.